No matter what kind of product you make, your customers demand choices. To meet that demand, you have to deliver multiple product variations while still remaining profitable. This is often thought of as a design problem, with different options tied to every design. But product variability reaches beyond design and impacts people across your organization, from purchasing to manufacturing and more. Options expressed in designers' terms may not make sense to everyone, leading to miscommunication, mistakes, missed deadlines, and cost overruns. PLM can help. You can decouple configuration and design data and provide one common definition of variability that is easily understood by each unique role. PLM provides a clear view of common product definition and variations for everyone. Product managers can decide what the products will look like to their customers. That input is provided directly to your engineers and other roles in a way that they understand. Program managers can define targets for specific program goals. Their decisions are tracked and accounted for. Systems engineers can balance requirements and targets to determine how to meet the functional needs for all variations. They can determine the best blueprint for design teams to optimize, reuse, and account for physical, electronic, software, and control options. Engineers can directly react to upstream input. They can concurrently design for a range of configurations and easily see if the solution is valid. They can consider all variants as they develop the digital twin to virtually validate the physical product. Manufacturing planners can directly leverage engineering variability to configure and optimize manufacturing processes that support each of the different design options. They can avoid duplication of work and ensure consistency between engineering and manufacturing. Technical documentation specialists can leverage modular document content mapped to options to automatically generate publications for each variation. Because everyone is working from a common definition of variability, the impact of change across all configurations is understood and accounted for by everyone, and the execution of change is consistent. Your customers can visualize and choose the product and features they want. The system continuously monitors selections to prevent an invalid configuration. Can your PLM solution manage variability planning, definition, and change across the lifecycle? With the right configurator capabilities in PLM, you have a single, consistent definition of variability, and you can deliver products your customers demand while growing a profitable business.